unraveling the intricate history of how Zillow gained direct access to the vast trove of multiple listing service data. When Zillow launched in 2006, it didn't get direct MLS feeds. It relied on public records, agent-submitted data, and even manual entry, leading to often incomplete or outdated listings. MLS data was primarily internal, shared among brokers or via limited broker reciprocity IDX programs for individual agent websites. As Zillow's popularity exploded, consumers expected comprehensive, real-time property data online. Facing this immense demand, many MLS organizations, which are independent entities, began to realize the necessity of providing direct, official feeds. This wasn't a single event but a gradual shift as MLSs sought to maintain control over their data and ensure accuracy on major portals. The period between roughly 2010 and 2012 saw a significant wave of MLSs signing formal licensing agreements with Zillow. These agreements allowed Zillow to receive direct, structured data feeds, replacing the less reliable scraping methods. This crucial step ensured listings were fresh, accurate, and properly attributed, benefiting both consumers and the real estate industry. Currently, the overwhelming majority of US MLSs have direct data agreements with Zillow, creating the powerful and integrated online search experience we know today.